What's up YouTube, it's your boy Skada and today I'm gonna show you how to make Minatory dubstep. It's gonna be superb for you, I promise. I'm gonna show you the sounds, how I did everything. I'm gonna show you the entire project. It's gonna be intro and drop, and believe me guys, it's enough. It's more than enough actually, to give you an idea on how you can do your first steps. So without of talking guys, let's dive into it. So guys, let's start. I'm gonna start by showing you actually the final result, yeah.
Reports have been confirmed that radioactive cesium has been detected, which would only come from melted fuel. The Japanese government is the extent of the melting and how much has been released to the environment or may be released to the environment.
So, this is a track, I really hope you like it, and let's start. I'm gonna start with the intro, The intro is very simple actually. A nice ambient sound. Okay, your first question. How to make ambient sound really fast? Well, all I want you to do is open a serum, Rick and Morty skin for serum, dope. And yeah, you open a serum, and after that I want you to use your, I say your because you should have it, because I've already gave that for free download once. My ambient engine, my ambient engine. So what I want you to do is actually just press one button and of course open ambient engine and actually take it down for a couple octaves, why not? I mean, guys, it's that easy. You just make a very long note and freeze track and what else? Come on, flatten, and it's ready. I hope that's not very difficult, So now you know how to make ambient sounds really fast and dope. And dark ambient texture, I have a sample pack. I'm gonna have a link in the description. It's an old sample pack of mine, whatever. If you don't have it, now's your chance to download it. Full of sounds like this. Really great dark background ambient sound, They work perfectly together. After that, what do we want? Vocals. I don't know why in Minatory, in Dubstep, maybe I think in Riddim also, they use old recordings from movies, from radio, from 100 years ago. I don't know why, but they do it for some reason. And your first question is, oh Skeda, where the fuck I'm gonna find recordings like this?
That radioactive cesium has been detected.
You should visit this site, archive.org. I don't know, can you see it? Close. Let me see the OBS. You can see it. Okay. This is the website archive.org. Go to the audio, and all these are recordings and shit that you can use For free download, no password, no nothing. You just go grab what you want and bye bye. So yeah, now you know how to find shit like that. Okay, and yeah, we have the vocals, we have the background sounds, a nice sweep down, a couple of cymatics impacts just to do the job, a riser from Zapta's sample pack. If you don't have it, go search Zapta in SoundCloud. He has a free sample pack for Dubstep Minatory. It's dope. After that, guys, let's go to the drums. A kick from Zapta's sample pack again, with just a little bit of dose from amplifier, just to spice it up a little bit, because Minatory is like that. You need a little bit of spiced up drums. A snare from Zapta's sample pack, once again with just a little bit of amplifier. It's a typical cymatics terror crash, also a terror crash, and that's it for our drums. Basic things, yeah. Now let's go to the drop. Okay, the first sound is one of my horror signature basses. Yeah. I also used a little bit of sub, because the sub in this bass is a little bit weak. As you see, there is no sub frequencies. So yeah, I used a little bit of sub. And okay, what I use these horror basses. When you make Minatory, it's also very good idea to use something of your own. I mean, with a few words, just put your secret sauce. Make it sound like you, okay? You make Minatory, usually these sounds are very similar. So use something but that's from you, okay? So this is just a bass from my sound. After that we go to this Minatory bass. In this Minatory bass, technically what you need is a really crappy table. Yeah. And if you don't know how to make a Minatory sound, I have a tutorial. Yeah, I'm sure. I have a tutorial showing you how to make Minatory sound in stereo. Go check it. It's right here, I think, or maybe in this side. I don't know which side YouTube is gonna pop it up. Yeah, go check this tutorial. I show you exactly how to make a nice, dope, not very basic Minatory sound. Yeah. So after that we have our sound here, a wavetable, very noisy. Notch filter and just distortion and compression, nothing else. Also I used a little bit of phaser because it gives that nice feeling, that dark feeling, you know what I mean. A little bit of OTT, dimension expander, a little bit of EQ because I didn't want in this track to use sub. So technically what I did here, I boost the sub frequency. So I don't have to use extra sub. After that we have the second sound of Minatory. On this one I used autopan. Without the autopan it sounds like this. let me show you exactly the sound. 2 wavetables, as I said, very harsh wavetables. If you can find the sound that's very noisy, maybe it will work, I don't know. A notch filter, always remember notch filter. I mean, without filter, it sounds like this. Yeah, it helps, why not? Distortion, compression, filter to boost the high frequencies. Oh no, notes again on filter, and EQ to boost the high frequencies. Whatever you like, guys, I mean, use it wisely, yeah. So that's my second Minatory sound. This is the one. No. Yeah, just with the noise oscillator. Go check the tutorial, yeah, it's right here. So after that, that's our second sound. Let's go to, oopsie. Do I have any more sounds? Machine guns, yeah, because machine guns works really great in Minatory. Just a typical machine gun with a little bit boosted on 120. For that boomy effect, if you know what I mean, yeah. So guys, technically this is it, really basic thing. I mean, to be honest, Minatory is not exactly the genre which you can do a lot of things. I mean, most tracks that I heard of are a little bit repetitive. I mean, it's not exactly the genre that you're gonna use 100 different sounds. You have your main sound, your main bass, a couple of side sounds like machine gun, and your magic sauce, as I said here, your own signature bass. And with that few things you can actually make something really great. You don't have to overdo it, yeah. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you thought it was helpful, consider subscribe and like this video. Also leave a nice comment, guys. You know I always love your feedback, and if you have any ideas for a future video. Also don't forget, free sample packs in the description. Go grab them. See you next time.